Hello again, welcome back to my Creative African Cooking channel. I am Grace Annabelle. In today's video, I'm coming up with my third episode of the Bulgur Wheat series, and this is going to be Bulgur Wheat stir fry. Yes, that's what's on the menu today for the third episode. Let's talk through the ingredients and get started. I have here 1.5 cup of boiled bulgur wheat, some carrots, is actually 2 stalks of carrot. And here is green bell pepper, so it's half of a whole green bell pepper. And red bell pepper, that's also half. Some scallions or spring onions is 3 stalks of spring onion. And I also have here half a cup of boiled prawns. I'm also using some ginger paste and garlic as well. And then 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a teaspoon of Maggi seasoning. All right, let's get started. In my wok or frying pan or saucepan, I'm adding my olive oil. I will leave this to heat up, and then next I'll add my ginger paste and give this a good stir. I'll fry the paste in the oil for about 2 minutes, and then next add my garlic. At this point, I'm adding my garlic. I'll give this a good stir, leave it to fry for about 2 minutes. And then I'll add my carrot. I'm adding the carrot first because that's the hardest among my veggies, all right? So yes, I'll give this a good stir and leave it to simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes because the carrot is very hard. Right, so next I'm going to add my scallions or the spring onions. Give those a good stir, and then add my green bell peppers. Give this a good stir for about 2 minutes, and then followed by my red bell peppers. You can use any veggies of your choice, okay? At this point, I'm going to add my boiled prawns, okay? And then I'll give this a good stir. Leave this to simmer for about 3 minutes. Next, I'm gonna add my Maggi seasoning. That's what is going to give my veggies and the prawns some flavor or taste. Right, so now I'll leave this to simmer for about 2 minutes and then add my boiled bulgur wheat. Right, so at this point, I'm adding my boiled bulgur wheat. Give this a good stir, shake and toss it. To make sure it combines well or properly. Right, so at this point, I'm gonna add my soy sauce to it and then give it a good stir. After giving it a good stir, I will then toss and shake again, toss and shake one more time. I will then leave this on a low heat to simmer for about 2 minutes, and then my stir fry is ready to be served. Look at that. My stir fry is ready. So now here I have my Bulgur Wheat stir fry. Guys, it's so easy and simple as that. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again in my next one. Bye bye.